Next is decoder. So decoder is reverse process of encoder. Okay, reverse process of encoder. So it means it converts binary to decimal. So the structure is n inputs is to 2 power n outputs. So 2 power n outputs, n inputs. Okay. So decoder is also known as 3 is to decoder is known as binary to octal. 4 is to 16 is known as binary to hexadecimal. Okay. Now let us know about 2 is to 4 decoder. So 2 is to 4 decoder, if you know, same thing apply for 3 is to 8. Okay. For 16 is 4 is to 16, etc. For 2 is to 4 decoder, we have how many outputs? 4 outputs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. D0, D1, D2, D3. 2 inputs. Okay. I1, I0. I0. Okay. 2 is to 4. So, if binary values I1, I0, this equal to 1, D0 is equal to 1 when input value is 0, 0, right? Because 0, 0 decimal value is 1. 0, 1 decimal value is, 0, 0 decimal value is 0. 0, 1 decimal value is 1. 1, 0 decimal value is 2. 1, 1 means 3. So 0, 0 means D1 will be 1. Remaining all are zeros. 0, 1 means 2. 1. 0, 1 means 1. 1 will be 1. Remaining all are zeros. 1, 0 means D2 will be 1. Remaining all are zeros. Next 1, 1 means D3 will be 1. Remaining all are zeros. Right? This is the Boolean expression. Now truth table. This is the truth table. Now write the expression. So D0 will be what? I0 bar, I1 bar. D1, I0, I1 bar. D2, I0 bar, I1. D3, I0, I1. Right? This is the Boolean expressions for D0, D1, D2, D3. Observe here, this is minterm, right? Minterm M0, minterm M1, minterm M2, minterm M3, right? So decoder is known as minterm generator. Decoder is known as minterm generator, right? So the internal circuit of this one is what? So I1, I0. I0 bar. Sorry, I1 bar, that one. This is I0 bar. So first AND gate is I0, I1 bar. I0 bar, I1 bar. Second, I0, I1 bar. For third, I0 bar, I1. For fourth, I1, I0. So this is D0, D1, D2, D3. Right? So we called it as decoder as minterm generators because all these terms are minterms. Okay. Now I want max terms. How we get max terms? Complement of this one, right? If you perform complement, you get max term. So the complement of this one means not get, right? Not get. Not get means we replace this entire circuit with NAND. So I am replacing entire circuit with NAND. I1, I0. This is I0 bar. This is, sorry, I1 bar, I0 bar. So NAND 1, NAND 2, NAND 3, NAND 4. Same I0 bar, I1 bar. I0, I1 bar. I1, I0 bar. I0, I1. So that we get max terms M0, M1, M2, M3. So the max term circuit is looks like 2:4 decoder with bubbled because we put bubbles. So I0, I1. Okay, this part is max term generator. This part is min term generators. So see definition. Decoder outputs without bubble. We referred as active high outputs. Active high outputs. The circuit is called min-term generator. Okay. Decoder outputs with bubbles means not gates. Means what is called it as active low outputs. We called it as max term generator. So we getting max terms and min terms. So if you have max terms and min terms, we can design any circuit, right? So decoder plus OR gate is called universal gate, universal circuit. Okay, you can implement any circuit using this one, decoder plus OR gate. Let us see. I want to implement sigma 1 comma 2, that is f of a comma b. Okay, a comma b. So two inputs a comma b, four outputs 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1 comma 2 means 1, 2. Sigma means 1 plus 2, right? So you have to take one OR gate for plus operation. This is final F, that is sigma 1 comma 2. This is 2:4 decoder. Okay. Now I want full adder using decoder plus OR gate. I want full adder using decoder plus OR gate. How? Full adder expression is what? S is equal to sigma 0 to 4, 7, right? Some expression. Carry expression is 3, 5, 6, 7. So I am drawing the expression now. So decoder. We have to use which decoder? We have to use 3:8 decoder because it is three variable function. Full adder is three variable function. So we use 3:8 decoder. So I am drawing 3:8 decoder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3:8. Three inputs. X, Y, Z. Okay. Now I want sum. Sum is 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0, 2, 4, 7. So this is sum. Now carry. One more OR gate. 3, 5, 6, 7. So 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Like this, you have to implement Boolean expressions using decoder plus half adder. Okay. Thank you for the class.